got that. All the highways are open. We're going to take the Highway 1 into Hope. And we're going to stop for late lunch and lots of fuel. And then we're going to go switch over to the number 3, past the Hope Slide, through Manning Park, all the way off to Penticton, Hell's Gate.
We're running out of gas.
Oh, we're still. Don't worry. Here's the exit right here. We're gonna do a Bugs Bunny, and his car's just gonna, plane's just gonna stop when it runs out of gas.
Yeah.
The meeting of the 3 highways. Oh, experience Hope.
Hi ho.
Okay, we got a green light up here. Do you know how to drive?
No.
Apparently not. We're going to downtown Hope.
We're still sleeping.
I know. Well, once we stop, we're going to stop at the info center because we can still make the gas station afterwards. Once he starts eating, he'll be fine. We'll get to the gas station. It's just over there. We're gonna,
129.
kill the dude on the motorcycle. That would be bad.
What is
There's, you can stop anytime you want. There's the info center.